and very warm welcome to RefLimts. This is Farooq Hossain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can customize Dspace 6 user interface. Particularly in this video, we'll talk about the JSPUI. Dspace 6 has two interfaces. One is JSPUI, that is Java Server Pages user interface, and another is XML UI that's based on Apache. So in this video, we'll talk about the JSPUI. So the JSPUI is this one, and this Dspace is locally installed on Ubuntu 20.04. So in this video, we are going to customize this user interface. We want to change this logo. We want to change this logo and this header and the images or whatever we want to change within this user interface. So we will change here, and there you can see this JSPUI is actually bootstrap, and bootstrap is responsive on all size of screen, all size of devices. So we recommend actually to use JSPUI instead of XML UI, but in some other video we'll also talk about the XML UI. So this one is actually XML UI. Let me show you. Okay, now let's move on. The very first thing we need to do, we need to change this title. This is called Dspace at my university, and it's also available in the green line. So where we can change this file, I mean this name. So it's available in one file. It's called dspace.cfg file. So let me open my terminal and activate the admin mode by writing sudo su and the password of Ubuntu system. And now there actually I need to provide the address. So this one, and I want to edit this by using gedit. Gedit is one of the editor, and I just write sudo to confirm the admin mode, and Dspace is one of the directory. In this directory we have config directory. In config directory we have dspace dot cfg file. See, Dspace directory, by directory I mean the folder. In this folder we have this folder, config folder, and config folder we have this file. So we want to change this file. We want to change the title in this file. So we will find dspace dot name. So there you can see the name of the site is actually Dspace at my university. So let me change this title. It's ref limits research or whatever video repository. Save this. Now you will see this name has changed. See, ref limits video repository, and it's also changed here. Okay, after changing this title, we need to change the header. We need to change this text. We need to change this button. We need to change this logo. We can remove this logo. We can change this logo. We can replace our own logo here. We can change this header. We can add some picture here. We can change this text, or we can remove this text. We can change this button, or we can remove this button. Whatever you want to do, you can. So what we need to do, we need to open one file that called header-default.jsp. So let me open terminal, and there you need to install one utility that's called locate. So locate You just need to write apt-get install mlocate. So the locate will be installed in your system. It's already installed with me, so I just write locate header dash default dot JSP. And now you will see the number of locations available for this file. So what file we need to select? We need to select the file where we have installed Tomcat Web Apps in the layout. So see this one. This is actually the build directory, and then we have Dspace Web Apps directory, and then we have OPT directory where we have installed Tomcat. So where we have installed Tomcat, we need to open that directory and we need to open that file. So it's called OPT directory. OPT is one of the directory. In by directory I mean folder. In this folder we have another folder that's called Tomcat. In Tomcat folder we have another folder that's called Web Apps, and then the JSPUI, and then layout, and then header dash default dot JSP. We do not select legacy, so we need to work on this file. So we need to select this one, copy, and you can use sudo gedit here and paste the directory. And what you need to do, you need to find md-9. Okay, under md-9 you will see two messages, heading 1 and the messages, and these messages actually coming from the messages.properties file. Instead of changing this file, you can also change the messages.properties file, but in most of the cases they do not work. So let's see. So let me remove these two messages here and save this file. Now you will see what happened here. See, it's blank now. So you can use your own text here, you can use your own logo here, whatever you want to change here, so you can. So for instance, I have few text here. Let me see this one. This is simple HTML. This is called heading 1, and heading would be RefLim's University Research Repository, and heading 1 close, and then we have heading 4 that say RefLim's Research University Preserve whatever. There's a message. This is one of the message. A full stop here, and then the link to my YouTube channel, and say class button, and the button would be primary, and the button name read more or visit here. Let me change visit us. Oh, I would say subscribe RefLims. Okay. Okay. So copy this. You can use your own message after MD9. This one, it's line 135. Save this. Now see what happened. See, RefLim's University Research Repository, and the message, and this subscribe RefLim's. When you click on this button, it will refer to my channel. So you can see this link in down if you can see this. Anyhow, so this is what we have changed this, and now we can change also this logo. Instead of this text header, you can replace some picture also. So it's actually depend on whatever you want to change. You can use some HTML, you can use some CSS there. And now what we need to do, we need to change this logo, this one, with our own logo. So within this file, you will see after closing this div, we have another div that's called uh, MD3. So there you can see the image pull right and the image address. So we can replace this. You can replace this address. I have one address available. See, you can just write the address of your image here, or you just need to remove. You can see this. You just need to remove this and save this, and now you will see image is not available. Sorry. And you can also remove this Dspace logo and save this. See, so you can change this place with your own logo. So let's see where is the logo available. I would search some book logo. Some moving logo. You can use your own logo there. I just use one random logo. So this is one of the gift. Copy image link. In this file, you can write the image link. And you can write the title like graph limits. Okay, fine. Save this file. Now, so this is quite big. What you can do, you can change the size. Okay. So we have there, we need to write some HTML with equal to 200 for instance, and height would be 160 for instance, equal to. Save this now. See? Now a little smaller, but it's okay. So this way we can add some image, some logo or you can use some gift image if you have, or your own logo there. Now move on. This area is called the news top. So we can change this news top. We can change this to some important like uh, images. We can replace this news portion with some images. We can use some marquee. We can use some slideshow there, whatever you want to. So it's quite easy. You just need to open one file that's called top news, and the file is available at this directory, this one. So again, you need to go Dspace folder. In Dspace folder, we have config folder. In config folder, we have news dash top.html. So this is purely HTML file. So let me open that file. But I want to close this one. So let me save and close this. Okay, sudo gedit is one of the editor, and in this editor we have Dspace, we have config folder, we have do, we have news dash top dot html. See, this is Dspace is live. Welcome to our digital repository of my university research. So you can remove this file and see what happened there. So let me remove this and save it. See. So now this news portion is blank, is empty. So you can add some picture there. You can add some slideshow there, whatever you want to add. So let me add one slideshow, and that slideshow is based on marquee. So you can use marquee there. It's quite easy. And this is just for example. I'll show you what I actually going to do. This is called marquee behavior. So this is one of the tag HTML marquee behavior, and scroll direction would be left and the target of the image would be this link, and the image would come from the Google Books. This is one of the image, and it has a border. It can be altered with some title like new arrival. Okay, whatever title you want to add. You can add book title there, and then border would be 1, or you can make it 0. There will be no border, and then width of the image would be 140 and height would be 200. So this is a purely HTML code, HTML script. You just need to write this. This way, what you can do, you can scroll some of the new articles or the publication, whatever the publication you are adding in your repository, so you can scroll them in a slide. So copy this one, not, and this way we have 4 images. So let me See, now say marquee behavior and scroll direction would be left. The target this web address, so you can use your own web address, whatever the website you have, your institutional website, and then image would be image source would be this link, and alter you can write some title, and the border width would be this and this, right? And similar for the second image, this sign is for space, two space, we use two space, and then again the same link, I mean with change image. So, and third one and the fourth one, let me save this. Now you will see when someone will click on this, he or she may redirect to the address that you have provided. So whatever the address you will provide it, you can provide the address of your publications available in your repository. So you can provide the address. I just use my YouTube channel link. So, or in fact, you can write some news like whatever you want to add. Move this, adding one, adding three. Welcome to draft. See, this way we can change this. Okay, so I would refer to back. Okay, so we have changed this, and now this news is actually called the left news or right news. I don't know right now. Side news is actually called side news. So what we need to do, it's also available in this directory config, and it's also HTML. So just open this. Terminal, paste this, sudo gedit, and the directory is Dspace. In this directory, it's config directory, and there you will find this file. It's news dash side.html. So you can open this and you can remove this. In my case, I would prefer to remove, but you can change this. It's up to you. It's your policy. So I just removed this one, and now see it has changed. We have make few changes in JSPUI. And what else we can do, we can replace this favicon icon with your logo. So we need one image, one logo in icon format. So maybe your logo is available in PNG format, maybe it's available in JPG format, but we need to convert that logo into icon format. So there's number of converter available online. Let's see, do we have any image available, I mean any logo available? So we have, I think, one logo here, and it's in gift format. So let us convert this to icon format, and convert gift to icon online. And see, let us select the second one, for example, or you can select any, whatever. And there you can see this one is gift to icon. And if your logo is available in PNG format, so you can change the format here, so like PNG, or maybe in JPG, so you can select JPG, JPEG, or whatever the format. So but right now our logo is available in GIF format, so we will go with the GIF, and we need to select the picture that we have, and now convert this, and we can download this, save, and download folder. There we can see this one is available in icon format. So let's copy this to picture folder and rename this to favicon. After this, we need to move this favicon icon to the source file. So there's we have the source, and let us locate where is the source file available. So in terminal we need to locate, because we are using JSPUI, and the favicon icon. So there we have 4 directories available, and there's 4 location where this picture available. So we need to replace our logo or favicon icon within 4 directories. So see, we have this picture available, so let us copy this to 4 times. Oh, okay, so now we have 4 copies. And what we can do, we can check the address. So let us check the address here. Copy this terminal, this Word file, and there I have already written, but let me show you what actually we need to do in a new document. So here's the location, and the file name is favicon icon. And where we have to move this file, we have to move this file to this location. We need to copy this, space, paste here. And what command we use sudo move space. Now let us copy this, and you will see this favicon will move to this directory. Okay, paste here, enter. See, it has moved. Now we have 3 more images, so let's rename the second one favicon. Let's check the second directory, and that's actually this one. and this directory will remain the same. Space. Here is the actually location of the of file that we want to move in this location. P. Paste. Now we have two more logo available. I mean the favicon icon. So rename this one. And rename this. And let's see the third location. Here we have copy. And there we have the file location and where we want to move this. See, this is Dspace folder, and there we have web apps folder. In web apps folder we have JSPUI, and in JSPUI we have favicon icon. And we have only one icon now, so rename this to favicon, and the last location is this one. Copy. Okay. Copy and paste the command here, and see, now all the four logos has replaced to the source directory. And let us clear this. Okay, so let's see, it might take few time actually to replace, but it's quite fast. So you can see we have replaced this. So this favicon replace with your logo, your icon, and this way you can move your pictures and your reloading. And this way we have customized this Dspace JSPUI, and this video is just to initiate the idea, and we will talk this later in further details and further themes. So we will also discuss the XML UI and the Dspace 7 as well. So what we did, we have changed this favicon icon, we have changed this title also reflect in green line, and we have changed this header, the header text, we have changed this button, this logo, and this top news, and we have removed this site news as well. So you can customize further, and let me know your feedback in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much. You're watching Reference. This is Farooq Hussain.